In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use synced blocks in Notion, one of the most powerful features for keeping information consistent across multiple pages. If you've ever wanted to update text in one place and have it automatically update everywhere else, synced blocks are exactly what you need. This is perfect for dashboards, templates, recurring notes, team documentation, and so much more. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to create your synced content. This can be any page, like a main dashboard, a notes page, or even a blank page you're starting from scratch. Once you're on the page, click anywhere to create a new block. Now type /synced_blocks. As you type, Notion will show a list of block options. From that list, click on Synced Block. This will insert a synced block container onto your page. Inside this synced block, you can now type whatever content you want to reuse across other pages. This could be text, bullet points, checklists, headings, or even other blocks like toggles. For this example, just type some sample text so you can clearly see how syncing works. Once your content is inside the synced block, hover over the block and click on the 6-dot menu on the left. From the menu, choose Copy. This copies the synced block itself, not just the text. Next, paste the synced block somewhere else on the same page if you want, or navigate to a different page in Notion. For example, go to a second page where you want the same content to appear. Click anywhere on that page and paste. You'll notice that the pasted content looks exactly the same as the original synced block. That's because both blocks are now linked together. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Paste the synced block on multiple pages, inside templates, or even inside databases. Now here's the important part. Click on the text inside any one of the synced blocks and make a change. As soon as you edit the text, you'll see that the change instantly updates everywhere the synced block exists. This means you only ever have to edit your content once. This is incredibly useful for things like standard instructions, weekly agendas, contact information, or reminders that need to stay identical across multiple pages. And if you ever want to stop syncing, you can open the block menu and choose to unsync it, turning it into a normal block again. And that's how you use synced blocks in Notion to save time and stay organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.